guys, we've got a package. Scrums. So this is how it looks like. Guys. Really pretty. Dragonfly. Very small. But like this are so tiny. Very tiny. These mulberries are really great additional for your healthy snacks like yogurt. So today we're gonna add these mulberries in our yogurt.
Over here.
So you can see these are organic mulberries, so they're kind of like tinier compared to the other kinds of mulberries. We don't put any kinds of pesticides or any other fertilizers, so they're really tiny. And actually birds love this kinds of berries. These are already washed.
I washed them.
Strawberry flavored, berry flavored yogurt. Alright guys, we've got a package. So someone's excited beside me. She wants me to open this right away. What do you think is inside?
I don't know. Last.
Do you wanna guess?
I don't know.
Okay.
A ring.
A ring?
No.
Why is this box so big? Are you ready?
Thing.
Alright.
The collagen.
Okay, so we've got new look, same great formula. We've got this collagen from Nail Cell. I actually told you on my last vlog that I just started taking collagen because we're no longer, getting any younger. This is collagen type 1 and 3. It's actually good for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. All right, so that is the first one, guys. And then if you guys are interested, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and if you want to know or learn more about this products. Okay, and then the next product is this
Earrings.
Chris Love. She already took a look, so she knows. This is actually a
Earring.
Heart of the Ocean. It's actually like Titanic one, but it is a necklace, and I picked the
Ooh.
how it looks like, guys. Really pretty, and you could do it like this or like that, doesn't matter, but it's really cute. I'm gonna wear this on certain occasions, or maybe not, on casual days, or I will say casual dress. But this is really cute, and it's blue, and it comes with the red and purple, so they have red and purple as well. So The next one is, the last one is, this is not the first time I've got this product or brand. This is the Mercy Home Massage Expert. I've got the electronic jade ruler before, and now this is what they've actually sent me. So let's open the box. I can actually open it. So let me just open it right this way and show you how it looks like. So this is the box, and it's really cute. It has a nice packaging. It actually mentioned about the benefits of the massage, that it reduces muscle tension. It is good to improve your circulation, stimulation of the lymphatic system, reduction of stress hormones, increased joint mobility and flexibility, skin tones, heightened mental alertness, reduce anxiety and depression. And their contacts, their email and their telephone number. They also face massage directions on this picture. And to have the maximum effect, I usually put my jade ruler inside the fridge so that whenever I'm ready to use it, it will give you this cooling and soothing effect on your facial muscles. So inside is how it looks like. There is like a pouch. It comes with a pouch. This cloth for, I think this is like a cleaning cloth for the material or for the product or for the item. They have this lucky draw as well that you could scratch, something like that, and a lifetime warranty. This is the user manual for you to use. And now this is how it looks like. It's kind of different because the other one that I got is it's the regular type, but this one's different. So this is how it looks like, and it's very pretty.
It's golden.
Yes, it's golden, and wow, this is really nice. Love it. I don't know how to use that. So you're gonna use, it doesn't come with a battery, so you might have to get a battery, but I think it just need a regular what kind of battery does it need? I'm not sure what kind of battery we can actually, just a regular battery, the big one. What size? I'm not sure what size is that kind. Oh, okay, AA battery. So I don't have it right now. So when the settings is very easy, there's an on and off on this side. Just have to open it and close it, and that's how you on and off this jade ruler. This is kind of different compared to what I have. And this one is really nice in the face. I can already feel. I really love it. Yeah, because it is massaging your face. It's good. I like it.
But it's pulling my face.
It's okay. She's right. It kind of pulls your skin. But I like how the effects.
It's so
Because I know a little bit. It's not too bad, especially if your face is really tired. Collagen. It's very easy to mix with your drinks, even water actually, because it's tasteless. $12 each, and it has a huge container, about 6.6 grams. So this is how it looks like. It looks like it's a white powdery bone scoop. The scoop. Okay, I only use one scoop for every day, and you're good to go. Calories is 25, and then no sugar. It has soy, wheat, lactose, starch, corn, and artificial colors flavors. Just have to store it in a cool, dry place, and it is actually made in US. This purple yum cake. Actually, this is a roll cake from Red Ribbon. $16, you guys. It's a little pricey, but you know what? Compared to Tosley Jaws, I think it's way cheaper than that bakery. And it looks really good. So, how is it?
It's good.
Look at it. Careful. Let's try the purple yam cake or ubi cake. I suggest you guys, if you want to try Filipino food or sweets, you try this ubi purple yam.
Just how much could a white shark eat?
So good.
Hold on. It's good. I told you.
It's soft and sweet and creamy.
I know.
It's delicious. Actually, purple yam makapuno. So it's ube makapuno cake, roll cake. It's too early. We ate our dinner about 3 to 4 o'clock p.m. and then they slept. And then me and Kachi actually walked the dog. And now they're eating their cake for dinner. So this is like their midnight or dinner snack, evening snack. Alright, you guys, this is my midnight. I don't know. While I'm editing, I am actually eating this cake and this one. This is a green tea. It's not a coffee, it's a green tea.
Afterward, they have filmed what's believed to be the largest great white shark in Europe, feeding on a dead whale off the coast of Honolulu, Hawaii. Underwater photographers